for snack. Okay, and let's find second plate. Okay, all right. First of all, what would you like to eat? Okay, I eat goldfish. Good job. Goldfish. Good job. Can you give me a high five? Good job. Okay. Okay, can you tell me? You want more? Okay. I eat goldfish. Good job. Good job. Okay, eat first. Good. Eat the crackers first. Good job. Very good. Good job. What would you like next? Can you show me? Okay. I drink water. Good job. There you go. Good job. Okay, thank you. Okay, what would you like next? Let's start here. Let's start here. Okay. Good. I eat goldfish. Very good. Very good. Are those yummy? Those are good. Can you show me? Green. Very good. Good. Those are good goldfish. Okay. Can you show me more? Where's more? Okay. I eat goldfish. Good. Goldfish. Good. Next time I'll put so much in her mouth. Can you give me a high five for goldfish? Are you yummy? Can you show me yummy? Yummy. Good job. I know. Yes. I good. I. Say it again. Eat. Good. Goldfish. Good. High five. Good job. Good job. You have how many? 1, 2. 2 goldfish. Okay. Say it. You say it. Eat. What is that? Goldfish. Good. I